May isa akong client and tinanong ko siya kung ano yung message niya sa mga magulang niya. And here is a very heartfelt message for them. Sabi niya, huwag niyo akong ipagmakaawa sa kung kanino man because you are removing the chance to actually prove something to myself. The best support you can give us is to be with us as long as you can for wisdom till the day we say goodbye. Well, the reason why my client have that kind of message to their parents is because, of course, each and every one of us has an ego. And nasasaktan yung ego niya na pinalaki siya, tinulungan, diba, ginastusan, inaruga. Up until this point, na kung saan most of our loved ones, especially the last or previous generations, are starting to go one by one. And yung client is nasasaktan dahil nga parang feeling niya hindi niya maipagpahinga yung magulang niya. Up to the point na yung magulang niya is nagmamakaawa pa sa iba to have or give their kid a chance para sa magandang buhay. Well, para doon sa bata, of course, that's going to be ouch. Kasi nga, 'di ba, parang worried pa rin yung magulang mo doon sa kahihinatnan mo kahit na at some point may maayos naman silang career. Hindi in grande, but an okay career. And they're trying to improve themselves 1% better at a time. But may mga pangamba pa rin naman yung parents natin. And I really like yung solution niya doon sa huli. Sabi niya, huwag niyo akong ipagmakaawa. Instead, try to be there for me hanggang sa ma-figure out ko kung paano yung gagawin ko sa buhay ko. And with that, it's a sign that your kid is being resilient. Na regardless kung ano yung sitwasyon na kauwian, di ba? They will try their best. And yes, they will fail. But nonetheless, they will not stop to reach their goal. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.